This is Dar Holdsworth with Darwin Motorcycles, builders of the brass balls, bobbers, and choppers. Today I've been asked what makes brass balls, bobbers unique. Well, there are a lot of aspects of our company, what we do that makes us unique. For one thing, we have an amazing team at the helm and all the way through. From our fabricators, our welders, the design aspects of our bike, everything. The 30 years of experience that we have in building race bikes and top fuel bikes, custom bikes, and hand TIG welding, knowing the quality of materials that need to be used in building an elite bike. Those are all things that come into play when we talk about what makes us unique. We can start with the frame, which is the core of the bike. We build our own frames in-house. They are hand-bent, hand-fit, hand-TIG welded. We use only the highest quality materials. We use 1026 DOM steel, which is a high carbon content steel, which welds up very nice. DOM, incidentally, is drawn over mandrel steel. Let's see, what else? We use thicker wall tubing than pretty much anybody. We use 156 wall tubing in our frames. That thick tubing not only adds to the strength of the frame, keeps it from bending, but it also adds it dampens the vibration of the frame. We use it in the drag bars as well. We make those in-house, and the thicker tubing will dampen the vibrations. So we start with the frame. It's the core of the bike. The craftsmanship on up, everything we use. So in keeping with our quality campaign, I'm going to call out some of the items on our bikes that make them unique, that keep us, that set us apart from our competition. With the brakes, we use Wilwood high-performance disc brake calipers, and those brakes are on they're on NASCAR. They're all over the performance world, and given that our bikes are a performance grade bobber, we want to make sure to put those same quality of brakes. We also have hog halter brakes as well as an option for those people that want the hog halter brakes. In keeping with hog halter, their upper controls are what we choose to use as our standard, and they are the standard by which others are measured. Tolerance, the flow, the form, the fit, the function, they're just really, really amazing hand controls. So we use their controls and their switch assemblies. Tires of the bike. Every bike rolls out of our shop on Metzler ME880 Marathon tires. It's a zero growth tire, so it speeds. The bike is not going to, the tire is not going to swell. You're going to have better performance. You're going to have better cornering abilities. It enables us to mount the fenders lower, so we don't have to worry about the tires swelling into the fender. It's just, again, top of the line, which is what we're doing with the brass balls, bobbers. Motor choices. We have 5 different motor choices that you can choose from. Each motor has been hand selected by our team. They all come with amazing warranties. They all are very reliable. They have different aspects that people like about them. The motor that we feature that no one else does is the Crazy Horse motor. Essentially, it's the re-engineered Indian Power Plus 100. It is the Crazy Horse V Plus 100. Then we also have the Harley Davidson 80-inch motor. We also have the SNS 96 and the SNS 113 V Evolution motors, or Evo style motors. And then also for those truly nostalgic, we have the SNS Chevelle generator motor, the 93-inch. Our transmissions are Ultima and Baker. We use a wet primary and a dry primary, but mostly we stick with the Tower Machine 3-inch Renegade. It's just an amazingly reliable and smooth primary. The tins are all hand fit in-house. And then of course, I design the bikes. What else can you say? Of course, I don't do it by myself. My partner Sam also, the two of us work real well together in putting together a package that we feel stands out. Thanks for joining us today. Check us out on brassballsbobbers.com and build your bike.